Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. Okay, so the shaded area of the grid represents the part of the workout Eric has completed. You're going to write that as a decimal. That one's not too hard. Again, the shaded area represents completed work. You're writing it as a fraction. Simplify your fraction. Looking pretty easy so far. This one's a little bit trickier. The shaded area of the part represents that what he's completed. But I'm asking you what percent is not completed. So you are going to count the white ones, not the gray ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Make that out of 100 because all percents are out of 100. You do not want to count your gray ones, you want to count your white ones. Next up, the shaded area represents the part that she's read so far. I'm asking about the part she still needs to read. So again, you need to be careful when you're counting. Again, you're going to make a fraction, change your fraction to be out of 100, and then find your decimal. Xavier's buying his family gifts for the holidays. He's been saving money all year, and the shaded area represents how much he has spent so far. What percent represents what he still has left to spend? For close reading on all these questions, you can't just assume it must be the gray that she wants to know about. Tahir found the model below on his math test last year. What value represents the part that is shaded? Oh, we got fractions and decimals. That's 4 out of 3, 6, 9, 12. Do you know how to get from 12 to 100? I don't see a side-to-side relationship. Do you know how to get from 12 to 4? Divide by 3. 100 divided by 3. 100 split into thirds. Well, you could actually do the division. That's going to give you a decimal. 33 and 3, 3, 3. Well, another option is to simplify this fraction. You could say 4 twelfths divide by 4, divide by 4. That's 1/3, which as a decimal is 33.33333 repeating. Percent, which is 33.333 repeating out of 100. And I don't see a third here. So this one's not actually here. 2/3 is the white space, but I didn't ask you about the white space. I asked you about the shaded space. Last one. 375 of the 1,000 flips. 375 out of 1,000. What would that be as a decimal? 0.375. What's a half? Halfway through is 0.5. So this is 0.3. It should be somewhere to the left, so B is out. Well, maybe you're going to have to simplify it in fraction form. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2/5. How many thousands is that? Well, it's 4/10, which is 40 hundredths, which is 400 thousandths. Oh, that's too big. So you can figure it out by fraction form, writing your fractions and seeing if they're equivalent to this, or you could simplify this. Lots of options, but you're picking between C and D, and I want to see some work to support which one you chose.